introductory part. We're about starting with the yeah. So the main idea behind this, or the main thing behind the exhibition, is to make the students be creative, to make them be able to think, have an idea of a particular product that they can actually bring about from utilizing forest, because we have a lot of resources in the forest, too many that we can use. So from the ideas they were able to conceive, they came about all these products that we are seeing today.
How do you feel about all of these things that they've exhibited here today? Would you say you are very, very pleased with all of these things?
How will I not be pleased? So if I say I'm not pleased, that means I'm a failure. The exhibition is improving every year. Like what we saw last year, the products, though they were many because the number of students were 64, but this year the number of students are 42. So the number of products we got last year were 64 compared to this year, this is 42. But the ones for this year, the way they made the products, they are just too beautiful. They are a kind of like a sophistication to the product compared to what we saw last year. Even the one of 2 years ago were not as beautiful as the one we saw last year. And this year whole even beats those that we have had in the past. So it means that the exhibition is like improving really, which I am so happy and I'm so proud. I'm proud of all the students. I'm so proud of them.
Thank you very much for your time. Thank you so much.
It's a pleasure. Thank you.